Funanguero Changping. The flood tore everything in its path. Steel bridges broke in half. Stone bridges collapsed. Whole bridges fell straight into the murky water. Houses on the mountainside were uprooted, swept away from their foundations. Mud and earth rushed down, swallowing whole roofs. Asphalt roads cracked and peeled off like sheets of paper. The entire city was gripped by chaos. From crowded urban blocks to remote highland hamlets, families scrambled to escape as the skies unleashed relentless torrents of rain. And in an instant, Beijing was plunged into a hydrological nightmare of unprecedented scale. Cars and trucks floated overturned, piled up,